The process begins far from the factory, on American peanut farms. Harvested peanuts move in bulk to processing plants. Every shipment is inspected before processing begins. Vibratory screens remove soil and heavy debris.
Air systems separate lighter contaminants.
Magnets eliminate metal contamination.
Optical systems reject damaged peanuts instantly.
Clean peanuts wait in climate-controlled storage.
Roasting is where flavor is created. Seconds of heat control define final flavor. Immediate cooling prevents over-roasting. Blanching prepares peanuts for grinding. Only clean, skinless peanuts continue. Grinding releases natural peanut oils. Texture forms under controlled pressure. The formula is engineered for structure. The filling waits for final shaping. Chocolate begins with cocoa beans. Roasting develops cocoa flavor. Shells are removed mechanically. Grinding transforms solids into liquid. Conching smooths texture and flavor. Tempering creates snap and shine.
Chocolate cups are formed at speed.
Rotation controls wall thickness.
Each cup receives an exact dose.
Chocolate seals the structure.
Cooling locks the final form.
Finished cups are released. Cameras verify shape and surface. Weight accuracy is enforced.
Packaging protects the product.
Automated cartoning increases speed.
Each package is traceable. Robotics handle final stacking. Products await distribution. Finished cups ship worldwide.
Millions of cups are produced every day.
Finished products are held under controlled conditions. Every pallet is digitally tracked. Shipments are coordinated nationwide.
Industrial scale defines the difference.
Consistency is engineered, not improvised.
Layers are designed not to mix. Shelf life is built into the process.
Millions of cups move through daily. The process has evolved since 1928. The filling formula remains proprietary. Reese's ranks among the world's top candies. Every cup follows the same path.
From raw ingredients to finished candy.
This is modern food manufacturing.
Precision operates at massive scale.
This is how Reese's peanut butter cups are made.